Just in on trade is this 1964 Chevelle Malibu SS. And yes, it is a true SS. And it is looking good, no two ways about that. This car is powered by 283 and a 4-speed transmission. This is the correct JH code 283, which would have been in 64, the 220 horse 4-barrel car with a manual transmission, and that's exactly what this car is. And so it's got the little higher horse 283 in it, and the looks to match. There's no two ways about that. You can see it's got the correct Super Sport hubcaps on it. These short body cars like this have really caught on in the last 5 years or more. People really like these 64 and 65 Malibu Super Sports. You see a lot of them that are clones, but the nice thing with this one is this is the real deal. This is a real SS, and it's got the pedigree to go with it, as well as the looks, as I mentioned before. So let's take a peek inside here. I love the blue on blue combination. You don't see a lot of that. Very nice and clean car. Good lines. And of course, bucket seat interior. 4-speed on the floor with the center console. Full set of gauges there. Looks like the factory AM radio is still in it. Yeah, whoever did the work on this car did a magnificent job restoring it, keeping it just nice, crisp, clean, and original looking. The headliner's in good shape there as well. We'll take a look at the back side here. As you can see, the paint looks magnificent, great shine, very straight. There's a few, just like any old car, there's always a few things. There's a little bit of checking right here. You can see in the paint, just a little bit on the quarter here. Take a look at the passenger side. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you'll see still photos of the car inside, outside. You'll see the underneath of the car, under the hood. All the things you need to make an informed purchase decision. The car, on the interior is as crisp and clean as it looks. There's no foul odors or anything like that in this car as well. Someone will be proud to be the next owner of this car, that's for sure. So again, you can see all the still pictures of the car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. I will get the hood opened up and we'll get this one fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Sounds pretty good. I did note that the tachometer is not reading. However, it does look like the temperature the ammeter and the oil pressure gauge is working correctly. Fuel gauge is reading half a tank there. Let's take a look under the hood now. And to repeat, this car is powered by its 1964 Chev JH code 283 4-barrel, which is 220 horse back in the day, and is correct for the 4-speed manual transmission. Here's the data plate for you. The car just purrs like a kitten, as you can hear. Excellent. Take a look back here, and again, as I'm walking, look at how smooth that paint is. Just a perfect little rumble out back. Lets you know that it's a muscle car. All right, well, you can see all the still pictures of this car on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, trade-ins are welcome. Financing is available. And this car does qualify for an extended warranty as well.